Hey guys, Matthew Letendre here. I just wanted to shoot this quick video. I didn't talk about this in my last video, but I'm going to I'm going to show you why joining Exitus Elite can help you to promote on TikTok and many other platforms. I'm going to give you an example. Right here, on top of all the regular training that I've showed you in my other videos about the products in Exitus Elite, we also have this thing called Exitus Hubs. And right here, there's a whole course that shows you how to market on TikTok. And if you go, let me see, if you go to I came in at the G1000, so I have also Instagram, ways to promote on Instagram, Snapchat, LinkedIn, and then at the G500, email marketing, and YouTube. So the Exitus Elite can show you how to promote on TikTok and many other platforms. On this one, you got Pinterest marketing, lead generation, more Instagram, and then also, let me go back to my dashboard real quick. I'm going to go to the products right here, and right here at the G100, social media apps for marketing, Facebook groups unleashed, Instagram. Let me go to the next one, G2000, email marketing, all kinds of stuff here. Everything that you ever need to market anything, whether it's affiliate marketing or anything else that you're promoting in the future, this opportunity has it. More social media stories, the power of social media stories. Let's see. And so between the Exitus hubs and the products themselves, Exitus Elite has everything you'll ever need to be able to promote on TikTok or any other platform. So I just wanted to show you that. Again, if you do end up joining Exitus Elite, you can make $100 commissions, $250 commissions, $500 commissions, and $1,000 commissions, and the newest level is $2,000 commissions, which I'm not qualified for yet. To learn more in depth about what Exitus Elite's all about, watch my latest video that I uploaded recently. It's called, I think it says Exitus Elite Review and Affiliate Marketing for Beginners. I'll have that at the end of this video. So again, if you join Exitus Elite, you go to Hubs, you go to the G100, and there's TikTok marketing. I've already started doing that. Here's my YouTube channel. Here's some TikToks that I've done already. I'm just building up my TikTok platform. And if you're shy, you don't even have to talk in these videos. I don't do any talking in any of these videos. I will in the future do some quick tutorials and stuff. But let's see. I'll give you an example. So this is an example of a TikTok I made today. This some inspirational comments because I'm all about motivation. This is one I did, one of my first ones I did. And then,
hey guys, Matthew Letendre
that's
here.
just one I did on YouTube. So that is how you can market on TikTok. I'm just giving you an example. This tutorial right here will tell you how to set up your TikTok, how to start making your first videos. Short videos are becoming very popular. Every single platform has them. There's YouTube Shorts, which I've done some on my channel as well. There's also on Instagram, they're called Reels. It's pretty much all the same thing. So I just wanted to let you know the value you get in Exitus Elite. You get all the training and the different levels, and there's no way you can possibly fail in Exitus Elite unless it's because you're just not putting in the consistency, the work, and the effort you need to. Everything you need to succeed on making life-changing income and learning how to market just about anything you can possibly think of, especially within affiliate marketing, is in Exitus Elite. So that's all I'm going to say in this video, guys. Make sure you hit the like button and leave a comment if you want to ask me a question. And also make sure you hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll get notified when I upload new content. I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.